So you just started on your path to be a big time streamer and you have no idea how to put a chat box or alert box into your OBS Studio. Fear not, it's as easy as putting peanut butter on bread. Creamy or crunchy? Comments below. Let's give this a shot. This question gets confused sometimes with a different question. How to put my Twitch stream chat into OBS Studio. That is simple. Let me show you. First thing you gotta do, you go to File in the top left-hand corner, you click on that. And then you go to Settings, and once you're in Settings, you click Stream, and it will tell you what you are connected with. This is the time to pick that. And then you can, in my case, I can disconnect the account. I will disconnect the account. All right, so basically what you need to do is connect your account. This would be the easiest way to do this. Go ahead and sign in. So I'm gonna go ahead and sign in. All right, it's gonna probably send you a security code based on your Twitch settings. That's perfectly normal. It's not gonna steal your information or anything. So I'm gonna wait for my code. This is my code. Cool, I got my code. All right, excellent. Now, what you'll notice is that as soon as you hit apply, you have 2 extra panels that are welcoming you with open arms. They're like, let's go. One of them is your chat. So all you gotta do is click and drag where you want it to go. I want my chat to be on the right side. I don't know, I guess right hand, right brain. The stream information can go on the left side. It's how you want to set it up. That was easy. Now, for the answer to the question, how do I set up my Twitch chat to appear on stream like Ludwig and all of the other big streamers? For this, we need some help. In order to get a chat or even an alert box on OBS Studio, we need to create them in an entirely different service. I know that sounds hard, but I promise it's super easy. And I'm gonna show you how to do it. The 2 main options are Streamlabs and Stream Elements. Personally, I would recommend Stream Elements if you are starting out. Honestly, it's a better system in my opinion, and something you can grow from as you get more used to streaming and setting up everything. And trust me, I am a long time Streamlabs user, so hashtag traitor. Here's what you do. Open up a browser, Stream Elements. So click it, click into the website. Like your OBS Studio, you need to connect it. Okay, so now that we're here, on your screen, basically what you got to do is you go to the left side in that panel, you'll see alerts and overlays, and then you'll click my overlays. Now you see some things here, but don't worry if yours is empty. This is the first time you're using Stream Elements, it's okay. Okay, so now what you're gonna do is you're gonna come over here to create blank overlay. And when you do this, it's gonna ask you for your resolution. Just say 1080p, because why not? Now, on the left side, you'll see add widget. Go ahead and click that. And then go to the bottom where you'll see stream tools. And then it says your streams chat. Now we have the chat. Now you have a bunch of things you can play with, including the dimensions of the chat box, text options, and also the background for your chat box. I usually prefer transparent backgrounds. So here's how you do that. You see where it says theme and settings and then theme, it says dark chat. What you want is actually custom chat, because although there is no transparent option, it is actually the same thing as just doing custom. See, look, Wemo, it's invisible chat. Now that you've created your chat, all you have to do to add it into OBS Studio, go up to the top right, you will see this little thing called copy. It doesn't appear right now, but copy overlay URL. It's a little paperclip, and then you'll go back to OBS Studio. And as soon as you're back at OBS Studio, you can go to sources and click on the plus sign. You're gonna wanna create a browser source. And what you're gonna wanna do is name it something like chat box. You're gonna see this screen come up, and all you need to do is delete what's in the URL slot and then Control V for paste, or whatever is your paste option natively. And then there are other options like width and height and all that, but I will let you discover that as you get better. But for now, just click OK. It looks extremely dark, right? But it did appear in our sources category. The box is still, the chat box is actually working right now, but how do you test it? One way is to use your phone. get your phone up, go into your Twitch app, make sure you log in, and then this is what you can do. Click your profile in the top left-hand corner, go to Stream Manager. So now we're gonna post a message and see if it appears in the chat box. So I'm gonna say, heyo, Mr. Awesome. Hope your day is smoothie-licious. All right, here we go. Let's see. Oh, I see an issue. Let's see what happened. So it did appear here. Oh, but the text is dark colored, right? So before you send your message, don't forget to go back to Stream Elements and make sure that you name this overlay. I'll name mine chat box, and then you save it. Let's go ahead and change the text color. Let's go down into text settings, and now we can change the text font and all that fun stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and just choose impact, just for funsies, impact. You can increase the size so it's more easily visible. There we go. It's too big for the box, so let's go ahead and adjust the box a little bit. Cool. So look, now we have a bigger box to deal with. Right next to font, you see this little bubble. It's kind of hard to see it first, but basically this is how you change the color. So go ahead and click that. And I know it looks white and gray right now and black, but as soon as you click on something, it changes the color for some reason. So what if you want white text on a black background? So that's what you would use. And then now make sure that you save this, because if you do not save this, it will not make the changes. So let's save it and let's go back to OBS. And whenever you do that, it does refresh the chat. So let's go ahead and send another message. Hello, my feet are quite large. There we go. Couple seconds later of a delay. And then look, hello, my feet are quite large. That is the gist of how you put in a chat box. And Alertbox is the same exact way. You go into Streamlabs, I keep saying Streamlabs, I'm so sorry. Stream Elements, you save this, and then you leave. So let's go back out. And then you could do this, create blank overlay again, 1080p of course, and then you add a widget, an alert box, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And then now I'm not gonna go into it. You basically can customize whatever you want in here. And then you do the same thing. You copy, well, first of all, you gotta name it, save it, copy the URL back into OBS, add a source, do it with me, browser, and let's change it to Alertbox. Press OK, delete this URL, Control V or paste, click OK. And now we have an alert box and it is there. You just need to test it. And so how you can test it is you can go back into Stream Elements and you can actually emulate something. So I'll emulate a follower event. And while that's coming up, you can see it's now on OBS as well. So the nice thing about doing this is as soon as you save it in Stream Elements, it will make the changes. No questions asked. You do not have to recopy the link and put it back in the browser source as shown every time you make a change. You just click save and it's done. I sincerely hope this has helped you. And if you have any more questions or just need tech help in general, you're welcome to join the Discord and post your questions in the tech support tab. Links to that will be in the description below. Otherwise, that will do it for me. Stay tuned with the subscribe button. Please like the video if you got some value out of it and hit the bell to be notified for more tutorials, tech, and video games content. Love your faces, and I hope you have a very excellent day. Happy looting.